Now, if you do events, if you're doing a masterclass, if you're trying to sell any kind of ticket to an event, you can also do that on Uzanga. So here we're going to do a specific example. We're going to show you how to do events, and specifically do this case where we have one of our merchants, Kalafu, who asked, I want a system where a client clicks their choice of classes, they pay for the classes, and get an email notification on when the class is happening. Then there will be slots allocated to allow for the same. So this is all possible on Uzanga. So this is how you go about it. Basically what you're going to do is post, you're selling digital products on Uzanga, right? The difference between digital and the normal products is, for digital products, when customers are checking out, you don't ask them for shipping. You just enter their email, the phone number, whatever other details you need from them. Then they pay. Then now you can decide to either deliver whatever they are buying immediately they pay, or you have to log into your admin, submit that thing. Let's say it's a PDF, or let's say it's a physical ticket, or a unique code that you have to generate every time an order is made. You can now log in after the customer has paid to show that they're serious, and now come and submit that material. Then the customer will get an email or an SMS, both actually. Then that's that, instead of doing all this through WhatsApp and DMs manually. So on your admin, go to products. Then what you do is we're going to add a product. So we'll fill in the details as usual. We'll start with image. For image, I'll use this image. It's a masterclass. Then I'll just keep it simple. For the title, I'll say masterclass. Let's see, masterclass. Same for this. Nice masterclass. Of course, for your case, you'll do it a bit more seriously. Then for categories, I'll just say random category. This masterclass is going for 60 shillings. Then this is where you specify the slots for this masterclass. Do you have 20 slots, 100 slots, 200 slots? This is where you specify here at the stock. Okay, so for me, I have 10 slots. Then this is where now we focus on this. You can leave everything as it is and focus on delivery type. So we set delivery type to digital. Okay, then for the variants, you know how variants, so if you don't know, you can check the tutorial that I will link in this description. So you'll set up your variants. Then now we come to this section, digital delivery, where you define how your buyers will receive this product. Okay, so fulfillment mode, is it immediate or merchant dispatch? Immediate means the moment I pay on your checkout page, should I receive that material? Should I receive that ticket, that PDF? You get? Or should it happen that I pay, now I wait for you to log in here to your admin, then enter that material that I'm buying, then now I receive it via email, I get notified, then I can download it. So for this case, since I'm selling a masterclass, what I want to do is I want people to pay, then I get notified, come to my admin, tell them now which dates I will have put them in, which date, whether on Thursday or Monday or Saturday. Then now submit that information to, send it, alert the customer so they'll receive the information via email and SMS. So let's to do that, we'll choose merchant dispatch. The load limit means if it was a file, it was a PDF, how many times do you want the customer to be able to download it? We'll ignore that. We'll also ignore this. Then here we'll say check what slot date for your booked class, something like that. Not delivery fields. This is where we define what we want to be entering each time someone buys on our website. So let me explain. Let me do it so that you can get. So here we're going to say, let's say class, date of class. Okay, field key, we just put the same. Yeah, can do something like that. Now let me put it properly. Date of class, let's say date, and this is required. Then is it a text or a file? Since it's a date, it's just a phrase, 10th December, we're going to put it as text. Then check here to see the day we've slotted you in there. And just like that, we're through with the product. So we can go ahead and now create it. So let's go ahead and now buy this product. So this is the store. And now we'll add it to cart. Okay, this is another. And also, by the way, side note, make sure to enable this storefront plugin so that you can capture people's phone numbers and emails for you to do SMS marketing and email marketing. So we'll go ahead and now add. Do you have something in my cart? I want my cart to be clear first. Then let's see. So I'll remove this. Next, let's add this to cart. This Masterclass. So we're going to buy this now. You've done marketing. I am so hyped up about your masterclass or events, and now I come to your website. I want to buy. So this is the checkout page. So notice there's nothing about shipping over here. No shipping, no delivery stuff. It's just I just need your contacts, your email and your phone number. So let's go ahead and pay. Here I had enabled partial payments. So just go ahead. And now let's pay. All right, 586 134. So since I'm using my phone to record, let me pay. Since I've prompted myself. Good. Don't mind. I'm using my phone as my webcam. We're good. So we've now bought the event or the event pass. And now this is what the customer sees. This is the order link. This is the link for the order. So digital delivery. We're waiting for the merchant to dispatch your info to you. So me as the merchant, since when I've been notified, now it's my job to now log into the admin. So we come to orders. We see the order here. Okay. Then now we see, yes, this client bought 1 slot for the masterclass. Okay. Customer details, they're here. Shipping, no shipping, because it's a digital products. So we come to this tab, digital. And now this is where we set, because this is what the customer is buying. So we now need to enter that information so that now the customer is able to receive it. So according to my calendar, the next available slot is on let's say 20th June 2026. At what time? At 12 p.m. Okay, send to customer. And now what happens is the customer receives an email. If I check my email, let me switch to my whatever, my inbox, so that you can see. Where is it? Good. Just a moment. I'm switching my, this one. So as you can see, we've received, and also SMS. We get an SMS saying, "Hi Arthur, your digital item, masterclass has been received." So open your order to now see the details, which in this case is the date for your class, your masterclass. Let me switch back to my browser. Now if we check, now we scroll down to digital delivery section. This is here, you see right here, that's what we're buying. You get, so now the client will just come and see that the date you've been slotted in is 20th June 2026 at 12 p.m. right? So all this happens asynchronously. Your customer can continue buying, continue doing their own thing, and you doing your own thing. They just pay, sign up, and wait for that day. So that's how you sell events, digital products, files, and everything within that class on Uzanga. So thank you so much for your time, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.